Hello, what's up? I'm Eagly. She, her pronouns. What? Ah! Hold your horses, goddammit! Don't complain. Don't complain about whatever I can do here.
I'm a cat girl.
Like, oh well. I have cat on my head. Cat on my head.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whoa. Cat. I've just been doing this for like the past I don't know how long. Let's burst some eardrums. Actually, that's a really bad idea. They don't do that. There goes my lurking. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Just give Egg all the life-saving words. That's simple. Hello, why'd you say my name? You called for me. Hello? Hello?
I'm like,
Whoa.
I'm very...
I'm cat. Meow.
Cat? Ayo. I don't think I did my homework, but that's fine. Whoa! Yeah. Excuse me.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. No gamer. Oh. Okay,
What the dog doing?
pretty lady avatar. Hi. I love you. Okay, bye.
I am immortal.
Will you be my mom? Oh, okay. Wee woo. Mmm, delicious hair. Eating my own DNA. Wowie. 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 What? I've been awake for too many hours. Why are you awake? Okay. Ow. Are you sure about that? If sleep is for the weak, therefore I am the weak. It's okay to be weak. Logic ain't logicking. You've heard of Cat in the Hat! Next up, Cat is a hat.
Yeah.
Yay, my cat loves me unconditionally.
Only under 1 billion?
Pretend to be
Yours
dead.
doesn't-
I got called a full body thotty. You absolute liar, goddamn!
I lie. It's...
Don't mind at night. Big. I'm good at English, I swear. I'm brushing my teeth. You are never truly worthless. You definitely have some organs that are worth something. Did you steal pond water? Are you taking from the local wildlife? Are you stealing from the wildlife? Disappointed in you.
I'm vacuuming my mic.
Yummy. What's up? I'm Eagly. I'm actually an 80-year-old man. Nice to meet ya.
Cancel.
Mal? Ah! I'm just speaking straight facts. Like, facts that happen to be straighter than me. Whoa! Wee woo! Welcome back to this channel on PBC Kids! Okay, anyways. It'll never be enough compared to my very first love. I'm sorry, Igloo is sus.
He's just staring at a wall.
Whoa.
It's a nice
Screaming
wall.
into thin air.
Echolocation.
Yeah, you seem to have great echolocation. You're always on my head. Whoa. Beep boop. Beep boop. Beep boop. Boop boop. Cat?
What? An upgrade? Whoa!
I don't know.
Oh my god, is this theft?
No, maybe. That's not for me to say. My lawyer said shut up.
Wee-woo. Emo, I'm so proud of you.
I'm angry. I'm angry.
Whoa, slay.
I'm a professional. I have to. I love my keycaps.
Yeah. I appreciate, I love you all so much. Have a good night, everybody. Don't forget to drink water. Sleep is for the weak, and I am weak. It's It's okay.